Yose Power, oh Yose Power. I can't get the Hollowtech 2 special magnetic disc that I had to buy for £13.80. It could be £28 if you buy it in the wrong place. I couldn't get it to fit my Hollowtech 2 Shimano Sora FCR 3000 Road chainring, which is 50 for 34 teeth. Because it seems it's designed to cling onto a 22 teeth ring, which mountain bikes will often have. 22 teeth would be down here and here. So with this being a road bike one, the smallest one here is 34 teeth. It won't fit anywhere. So if you've not got a Hollowtech 2 22 ring chain, there's nowhere for it to fit. So it's good magnetically, it really does cling, but as you've got a road, Hollowtech 2 road crankset, you're probably done in, because you're probably starting at 34 teeth. So the adapter's not going to help you. Not even with this plate with, I think it's meant to go on the 4 bolts, round about there. But these bolts are, I think they're 110 millimeters apart, whereas it's meant to, I can't even remember, but it's like, I don't know, 50 millimeters or something, I don't know. But even with that in, there's nothing for it to cling to, unless you've got a 22 ring probably. I think some people have said maybe it'll work with 24 or 26, I don't know, but it's meant for 22. It's a pure show from Yose Power. I mean, the kit itself is really good, and for everyone else, it seems that the pass sensor that comes with it, it's only one piece, it'll work fine, but people with Hollowtech 2 were told to get this adapter. I got mine on eBay. If you buy it from their site, it could be anything from, like, I don't know, £15 to £28 if you get it from Germany or something. But nobody tells you it only fits 22 rings. So, because all these things seem to be designed for mountain bikes, you know. They're not really designed for road bikes, but they should be. People say they've adapted them. Well, 2 or 3 people. I mean, one guy said he put a metal plate there or something. I don't know how, you know, I'm not going to try something like that. Well, not yet anyway. I bought this for £5 off eBay. I won't use that, but I'm going to try knocking this middle bit out and maybe try something there. This spindle's 24 millimeters apparently, so I would need definitely be 24 millimeters out. I don't know if this just falls out if you press hard enough. I don't think so. You know, that would be great if it does, if you could just punch that middle bit out. But it was only £5 anyway, so I'm not too worried. I mean, I'm 99% sure it won't work, because this thing's got to be bang on in the centre. I don't know. It's got 12 magnets, the same as the Yose Power Hollowtech 2 one, but it's not as clingy as the other one. It's not got as much magnetic strength. But then if I handed it in the spindle, it would be staying on that way anyway, but I would be hoping it would be clinging to this, but I can't be sure. There's not much magnetic strength on it. Anyway, that's what I'm going to have a go. I'm pretty sure it won't work. So, people with Hollowtech 2, you could be in trouble if you've not got a 22 ring in here. Yose Power, you make a good kit, I think, but for Hollowtech 2 people who haven't got 22 rings here, you know, you're no use to us really. So you really need to sort it out. With this one, maybe there's some way I can maybe try cable tying, but it's got to be dead centre as well, you know. I don't think I'll ever get that dead centre, even with tie strings or whatever, I don't know. But yeah, Yose Power, you need to sort it out. And it's also annoying that when you buy the kit, I didn't get the option to select the Hollowtech 2 pass sensor. Maybe they did give you the option, but I didn't realise. I don't know. But I don't think they did. So, people with Hollowtech 2, they suggest buying this Hollowtech 2 sensor off them, Yose Power. But if you've got a road crankset, it probably won't fit because it needs a 22 ring there. I suppose the problem with Hollowtech is it's too good because everything's sealed. You know, there's no space to put anything on. Everything's sealed. I mean, it seems a really good crankset to me, but not if you want to fit pedal assist sensors, because there's nowhere really to fit it. For those with all the other types of cranksets, it seems that the one that comes with a kit will fit, and I'm really envious because it's only one piece. It seems you only need one piece, and it'll just fit snugly onto your thing. So I'm really jealous, even though Hollowtech 2 I think is a great crankset. So this is the one that comes with a kit that will fit everything except apparently Hollowtech 2 and Octalink, which is another Shimano one. I think the Octalink one's a bit obsolete now, although it's not that long. I think Hollowtech 2 is superior. If you've got a mountain bike, Hollowtech 2 one will probably fit. Well, if you've got 22 rings, which a lot of mountain bikes do. Not always nowadays, all the same now. I don't know about 24, 26. Some have said it might fit that, but I don't know. Alright guys, my e-bike kit misery continues. And so Yose Power, you need to sort this out for Hollowtech 2 road chain cranksets. So I'll need to give you a thumbs down for this. I don't know what I'm going to do. My misery continues, even though it seems to be a good e-bike kit. I'm just envious of everybody else who got theirs to fit.